Video I am going to teach you how to make network request in Flutter. So as you already may know that there are different methods in HTTP like HTTP GET, HTTP POST, HTTP PATH, HTTP option and etc. So in this video, particularly in this video, I am going to teach you how to make a simple GET request in Flutter. So for this example, I am going to use JSON placeholder API to fetch a list of posts and display this post inside our app. So let's get started. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to install the HTTP package which is available in pub.dev. You can install any version, and after that let's go to JSON placeholder. JSON placeholder. JSON placeholder provides the different endpoints to get the random data. Like let's fetch the post endpoint. So in order to convert the JSON object into our custom model, that model, I have defined our one class called post class, and inside it I have defined a from JSON constructor which is used to convert the map into our custom post model. So here what we have to do, we have to define a function which load post from the API, which will be asynchronous. So we have to import the HTTP package http dot as HTTP. So in order to make GET request, we can use HTTP methods like response equals to await HTTP dot get. So it's require a parameter type of URI. We can use URI dot parse, and whatever we place this link here, we can paste it here, and we can check if the request is successful or not. To check request is successful, we can just check the status code equals to 200. So in that case, we can get the JSON from the body like JSON body equals to JSON decode response data dot body. And so this will be list of the post with its map. So what we have to do is we have to convert this list of map into list of post. So for this we can do post equals to JSON body. As you know that the JSON body always a list like this. It is list of something, that is post object. So we can directly use as list. This is the list. We can map through each item and convert it into our post object. Post dot from JSON e. We can pass this dot to list. So we can here check if the mounted, we can just set state. So at any state we can do just call load post, and while displaying here, what we can do is initially the post will be null, and if the request is successful, the post will be some objects, list of objects. So what we can do is, if post is null, we can show some loading indicator. Post equals to null. What we can do is, like suggested, we can show some loading indicator like this. In else condition, we can post dot length, we can iterate through post dot length like this. So currently the widget is already initialized, so init state is not called, so the method is not being called, and post being null, it is showing the loading indicator. So let's restart it. As you can see that the posts are loaded from the API and showing in our UI. So in this way you can make GET request in Flutter using HTTP package.